Hi, it's HardwareSet and today I'll show you how to fix apps crashing on Nothing Phone 4a Pro. So, for example, if your Facebook is crashing, then go into the settings. Here find apps. You have it in the recently opened, or you can go into all apps and here find Facebook. Then storage and cache and clear cache. Also, you can go into the Play Store, then find the app and click update. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.